my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm here with my second Eid tutorial, which is more bold and glamorous than the previous one I have uploaded before. Let me know in the comment section below which Eid look you are gonna try on this Eid, the very simple one or the bold one. I would love to know that. Without no further delay, let's jump to the tutorial. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updated video. Okay, now let's get started. First, I'm concealing my eyelid with this stick foundation and then setting it with Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. You can use any other pressed powder or face powder of your choice. For watching how I did my eyebrow, you can click the link on the right hand corner. So for today's look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favor the Brave eyeshadow palette, and from that I'm using this shimmery shadow as my brow bone highlighter. Then I'm using this Sophia Ashley gel eyeliner. You can use a kajal instead of this. I'm using it on the crease and outer and inner corner of my eyelid and then smudging it with this flat top brush. Now I'm packing some black eyeshadow on top of the gel eyeliner with the help of a pencil brush. After that, I'm blending it out with a small blending brush. After that, I'm taking this peachy pink kinda eyeshadow and applying it as my transition color. I'm also blending the black eyeshadow with the peachy pink color shadow. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush so that each color blend with each other very smoothly. Now I'm applying some olive warm toned eyeshadow in between the peach and black shadow so that every color mix up with each other, and also blending it with the clean fluffy brush as before. Now with the same stick foundation, I'm making a curvy line on my crease and then filling the middle portion of my eyelid. I'm setting the foundation with a matte white shadow. Now with the help of a flat shadow brush, I'm using a shimmery pink kind of shadow in the middle portion of my eyelid where I applied foundation before. Then I am using this shimmery black kind of shadow inner and outer portion of my eyelid and blending out the pink shimmery shadow with my inner and outer corner. After that, I'm using this glitter eyeliner as my loose glitter base. I'm applying it from my crease towards my lash. And now I am applying this loose glitter on top of the golden glitter eyeliner I have applied before. I am reapplying the glitter eyeliner on top of the loose glitter and pressing it down with a flat brush so that the glitter sticks to my lid very smoothly. Now I am defining my crease with a black eyeshadow and using it with the help of an angled brush. And don't forget to blend that out so that there's remain no harsh line. Now I'm cleaning up the outer corner of my eyeshadow. And then I'm taking this Pop-Fill Matte Liquid Lipstick 05 and applying it with a tiny eyeliner brush. I'm drawing a wing eyeliner and then outlining the wing eyeliner with glitter eyeliner. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner with this shimmery eyeshadow. After that, I'm lining my waterline with a nude pencil. I'm drawing wing in my inner corner and my lower lash line. And then smudging it with black eyeshadow. On my lower lash line now I am applying this brown eyeshadow. Now putting on some false eyelash, and for that I am using Ldianer eyelashes with eyelash adhesive. I am applying some mascara on my lower and upper lash. I am pushing my real eyelash with the fake eyelash so that they mix up with each other. That's why I like to put on mascara after applying the false eyelash. And that's it guys, here's the final look.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so.
As you guys asked me for doing a glamorous look for this Eid, I have filmed this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment and share this video. For being connected with me, follow me on my social media. I have included all the links on my description bar below, and also I have included all the product list on my description. Check that out if you want to. For those who are celebrating Eid Mubarak to you and your family. I hope you will have a very enjoyable day. So I'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.